For
He's taking start.
wait now, yes, now let him.
It's nothing. There's
We had an
nothing new
agreement
here.
yesterday that within 1 week.
Is there anything new
No,
here?
he's not saying anything new. We signed yesterday. And I'm repeating it now because it's from and you are disrupting him. This is camera. So for 1 week that was our agreement. And even international conventions, they say you don't negotiate at gunpoint. So whether they thought that they were negotiating at gunpoint or whatever. So we didn't suspend, we relaxed. When our statement comes out, we relaxed our actions for 1 week. So that we can negotiate. Yesterday's meeting was a kind of mediatory meeting. And then we're going back to the appropriate organ that discusses wages. So we've turned back to status quo, ante malum. So the status quo was the 497 and the 60,000. So depending on good faith, we can move up and down to reach an agreement. But if not, another stalemate.
So which means it's because of the 1 week, the meeting yesterday agreed that you should be meeting. Is that what inspired you or made you to also relax for 1 week?
Read the letter and spirit of that agreement yesterday, that the federal government is committed to moving beyond 60,000. Prior to now, even there was a challenge on why by some subnationals on why should you even agree on 60, and they were quarreling amongst themselves why should 60. Some of them didn't even agree. Well, the outcome of yesterday's deliberation shows that they are committed to moving beyond that. So it's like they have given a framework for us to negotiate, to reach certain threshold. That is it. And then before, it appears as if the negotiation was going to be infinitum. But the outcome yesterday shows that this should be completed or concluded within 1 week. So what else do you want to? So those are some of the obstacles we were negotiating without end, and then with a kind of ceiling from one partner that we are not moving beyond this. All those hurdles have been removed. So every party can now talk freely, for us to get a middle point.
All right, last Mr. Ajaero, talking about threshold now, floors and ceiling, the organized labor. What will be the floor for the organized labor that you cannot go below?
Negotiation is ongoing. It's floor and ceiling. It's give and take. So where we land will be the floor. The ceiling, to a very large extent, will be on ability to pay. Bear in mind that when it was started, state governments were paying 40. So the same thing if you get a floor now, some people will be urged to pay higher than that. That will be the ceiling. The floor will be the basic, where we agree as the basic minimum.